Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn speech to text using AI. We are going to use AI tool called Whisper. You can install Whisper on your PC, but you need to have a powerful computer to use Whisper. So instead, we are going to use Google Collaboratory. This allows you to run code in your web browser. To use Google Collaboratory, go to your Google Drive. On Google Drive, click on New button, click on More. Connect more apps. Here type in Google Collaboratory, click on this one and then click on install. When you're done, click on the new button again, go down to more, and now you should see option for Google Collaboratory. Here you can change your file name. Next click on the menu runtime. Here change runtime type. Here you can choose hardware accelerator. Be sure to select GPU. GPUs run these models extremely well. Next, click on Save. Now let's install Whisper AI. In this field, you can enter a code. You will find this code in the description. And then click on this icon. Over on the left hand side, click on Files. And now you can drag in an audio file or a video file that you would like to transcribe. Now we see the file has been uploaded successfully. Go back to the top and click on Code. Here type in the name of your file and then type in your file language. When you're done, click on the Run icon. Now you can see a transcript of everything that was said in this audio file. Also over on the left hand side, you see these new files. A text file is just all of the text from the file. SRT and VTT, these are caption format, also include timestamps, so you know what was said when. If you want to download any of these files, click on three dots and then click on download. Here you can see the TXT file. You can see the capitalization and also punctuation. And this is SRT file. You see the text and also timestamps. If you like the video, share it to your friends and subscribe channel for more videos like this.